Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Crochet baby shoes, often referred to as cherished foot, is a wonderful project that combines creativity with particularly this adorable little shoes uh, and can be made in various styles and designs. So I hope you like it, and perfect for gifting, like different ideas and different styles, even soft baby friendly on like cotton or a soft blend yarn, and different buttons, ribbons, optional for decoration or closer, different ideas. So like uh, beautiful idea and beautiful review. So I hope you like it, my video and my channel, like different beautiful color combination and center front center flower and decorative elements, like with the green leaves and the like green leaves with pink flower, rose flower, and like ribbon bow style, and like holding for your shoes, booties.